Now as you can see here, I'm just finishing up my last bend fold and press and flatten that we needed to go on right here, and I've done the whole flower all the way around. Now you want to take it and squeeze it and mash those down really good. Take your chopstick to it. Just press until it's really good and flat. Now, this is how our flower is going to stand. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our leaves, and as you can see here, it's got almost this kite shape that has been started with it. We're just going to fold our leaf down, square and flat, like so, kind of at this angle, forming this shape here. I guess a better way to describe it would be we're going to take the leaf, just fold this corner. No, it's not that one. Let's try this one. Take this corner here and put it on this corner here. Just bring it down like so. And we're going to do that all the way around. Oops, that leaf didn't turn out so well. Force them back up, and that's it. Our flower is completed.